Hey, my loves. Okay. I'm in panic mode, but I paced it back and forth. My anxiety is flared up because my tornado sirens are going off, and I'm claustrophobic. I can't close myself in the bathroom. It's gonna make it worse. So I'm pacing back and forth, trying my hardest to fight the tears, breathing while I'm just pacing up and down my hallway. I don't like no type of storms, no. My anxiety and everything immediately flares up. Soon as tornado sirens went off, I flared up. So I'm texting my mom, my sister, everybody's calling me because they know. Then I go into panic mode and my anxiety flares up. So I'm just pacing, praying that it go past, it don't hit. I was spoken my way through it, but my pen died. So now I'm just pacing, making this video, breathing. If you see me pause, that's because I still have silence. And I forgot to close my blinds, so I can see outside. I can see the wind blowing, but it's not heavy, but I can see it. This is my reason why I make these videos. I start making these videos because I fight with this stuff as well. But I'm just pasting my love. I'm about to start, after I finish this video with y'all, I'm about to start my meditation music. Yeah, y'all see my nappy hair. I don't care. Y'all gonna see me in my roughest days, my good days, whatever. I don't care. But I gotta go. I'll see y'all in a little bit. I'll check back in to let y'all know if the storm passed and when my anxiety mellows back out. Cause I'm a little shaky, but breathing through it, I'm mellowing out. And now the sirens have stopped. So I'm gonna keep pasting. I'm gonna keep breathing. I love y'all, my loves. Don't forget to tell people about my TikTok, about my YouTube, and any other thing I might tell you on here. Be safe, be brave, be strong. We got this. We're gonna be okay. And we're loved. We're fighters. And we're gonna get through this. Okay, my loves. I'm mellowing out a little bit. Talk to y'all later. And remember, I love y'all.